lot of times we spend a lot of money and time making our Jeep look better and have a nice stance and visual appearance, but a lot of times there's a lot of things that we kind of overlook and people don't tend to pay attention to when they get a vehicle or anything like that. So today I'm installing something that is a performance upgrade. Not a whole lot, but it is a necessary upgrade in reliability. And so this is the one area that a lot of people look over. I'm very guilty of it, so I never thought about it until we've had an issue. And so now's the time for me to just rethink about it and say, hey, that's something we need to start doing. And I plan on doing this upgrade on all the Jeeps. So any Jeeps that we plan on keeping, and then some that I might turn around and sell. If the system's not up to par, I may change it out. So let me show y'all what I'm working with. So Nicole's Jeep, we took on that big trip to Moab and Utah and in Colorado, and we had a lot of fun with it. But we had an issue with the battery leaking acid all over the inner fender flares, and so once we got home, I got a new battery and just quickly realized how bad the battery cables were, along with all the other power cables under the hood. So they're just corroded, like really bad, and like been hacked together. A lot of pieces have been cut and respliced and stuff that I didn't do. Whoever owned this Jeep originally did this stuff, but I'm gonna go in and fix it for the first time and make it 100% perfect, something that I don't want to have to worry about anymore. And hopefully it brings a little bit more life back into the electrical system. So this is what I got. I went with the company called Jeep Cables. Hopefully this thing is not upside down. It's a possibility. Yep. Upside down. So I went with Jeep Cables. This company specializes in Jeeps. Like, they do every model. They do Cherokees like this one here. They do the TJ, the LJ, the JKs, CJs, MJs. They do everything, to my knowledge. If they haven't done the Jeep, they're probably working on it and getting a kit out to it. So the thing about the kit is you can get it in 2 gauge or 4 gauge or even bigger. I'm pretty sure he can even get a bigger size, but if I went with the 4 gauge, I didn't need any bigger wire. I'm not running a higher amperage alternator or anything like that. The only thing we got running right now is just a winch, and this will be plenty for that. The cool thing about this kit, it comes with new terminals. These are, I believe, military grade. Also comes with every single line. Even comes with a inline fuse. I think this is called an inline fuse. But this runs in between, I believe, the alternator and the battery. So that way, if something overcharges, like the alternator overcharges or something has a short or something, it can kind of just pop the 2 fuses and not overheat any of the wiring or anything like that, which is nice. And so I believe y'all can probably see that. I can't, but all the wires are labeled here on each end. So this kit is really kind of user friendly for the average person. As for me, I'm blind, so I'm going to be using my phone to try to read these to make sure I connect them in the right areas. So I can't wait to get these installed. This will be a much needed upgrade. As you can see, I'll show you clips here of what the wiring looks like at the moment, and you can kind of get an idea on how bad it is. I mean, it's pretty rough. All right, let's see if I can't get the kit installed today, and hopefully it doesn't take me too long because I've got to read every single wire. But let's get this installed today and see how it looks on the Jeep. that's it for this little product and this little install. Took me a little bit longer to do due to my handicap, but I got it done. I persevered. A lot of trial and error and seeing what fits and what doesn't. So got it installed, runs great. I can't wait to order some more kits. I've got like 3 Jeeps I definitely need them on. But thanks for watching, and I'll see all y'all in the next video. Peace.